Atomic notes are simply notes that are broken down into the smallest possible chunks of information. They are incredibly effective because they help you to retain information in a more structured and organized way. When you break information down into smaller chunks, it becomes easier to categorize and connect ideas, leading to a deeper understanding of the material. Atomic notes also help you to review and revise material more efficiently, because you can quickly identify the key points you need to focus on. ChatGPT is a very good tool to get atomic notes. And the TermBoard application can connect these notes together in an easy way. So let's dive into a simple example. First, open the sidebar to enable the bulk adding of elements. Then select the prompt to generate atomic notes. Specify the subject and then generate the prompt. Now you can add the relations yourself. It is beyond the scope of this video to make the proper relations here. I only create some simple ones. When you look careful at the descriptions or combine other sources, you can make the relations much better, and the overview more useful. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a like.